Helo, Melissa Dillon ydw i, a dwi'n gweithio fel swyddog addysg i grŵp coedwig cymunedol Llyn Parc Mawr. Ymddiheiriadau mawr mod i ddim yno heddiw. Rydym mor brysur yn Llyn Parc Mawr ar hyn o bryd, ond ro'n i'n meddwl bas yn neis i chi cael rhyw fideo bach o Llyn Parc Mawr a be rydym yn gwneud yma. Llyn Parc Mawr is a 60-hectare or 148-acre area of woodland opposite Newborough Forest on Anglesey. It's in between the villages of Newborough and Malltraeth, but separated from the rest of Newborough Forest by the road. We have a lovely lake which was created in 1988 as a lake for wildlife. There are lots of interesting trees in Llyn Parc Mawr, as it was originally used as a nursery for growing trees for the rest of the forest. So what does it mean to be a community woodland? We've been a community woodland since 2015, when a group of 10 people got together and formed a constitution. The main aim of the constitution was to manage Llyn Parc Mawr for the benefit of wildlife and for the local community. Llyn Parc Mawr is one of the best places on Anglesey to see red squirrels. We have volunteers that feed the red squirrels twice weekly, not usually on the same day each week, to ensure that they still forage for food. Since 2015, we have planted thousands of new trees underneath the larger trees so that there will remain a future forest. We've planted species that provide food for the red squirrels. They love hazelnuts and pine nuts. There are squirrel feeders by the main car park and in a couple of hidden places too. Early mornings are a good time to spot them, and sometimes late afternoons if it's not too busy. Since 2015, we've applied for many grants and also tried to explore various opportunities for earning an income, which, as I'm sure you're all aware, is not easy. Funding has allowed us to build 2 open-sided timber frame buildings. We call these the Caban and the Caban Bach. We've also built 2 compost toilets, which are available to use at our events and for those that hire the space. The woodland is open all year round, and if the Caban is free, then it's fine for people to enjoy too. We do also hire out the space with parking by the Caban and use of the compost toilet. Llyn Parc Mawr is really popular with dog walkers, families, tourists, people who come to see and photograph red squirrels, and people who come to hold events in the space. We love to work in partnership with other organisations, and we've found that there are many local groups with similar or overlapping goals, and rather than work in competition, it makes much more sense to work together. One of our most recent partnerships is with Digartref. I also work for Coedlleol or Small Woods Wales, who are pioneers of social forestry, and so I have 8 years' experience of running woodland wellbeing programmes. We also work in partnership with Coedlleol regularly. It's been great to team up with Digartref. Over the summer, we began a programme of woodland wellbeing sessions. Our Llyn Parc Mawr woodland wellbeing sessions involve woodland walks, nature and tree identification, basic bushcraft skills such as firelighting and cooking over a fire, basic green woodwork and nature crafts. We're hoping to run some more sessions with Digartref soon. We also run volunteer days, usually on the 2nd Saturday of the month, where anyone can book on and turn up at 11 o'clock at the Caban. There's a bus stop right outside Llyn Parc Mawr, and we try to ensure that our event times fit in with local bus times. However, it is tricky since services have been cut. We begin our work days with a panad and then get to work, planting, clearing paths and doing general woodland maintenance work. We have a good band of regular volunteers, but also new people joining. Everyone is very friendly, and it's a lovely way to meet new people and learn lots of skills and increase your knowledge about woodlands. We cook food in the woodland and always provide volunteers with a hearty warm lunch to say thank you for your hard work. We run forest school sessions with local schools, holiday bushcraft sessions, willow weaving and basket making sessions. The next one is Saturday the 18th of October. Regarding funding, we've just reached the end of a Heritage Lottery Woodland Investment Grant and have been fortunate to be granted a Cymdeithas Elusennol grant, along with Awards for All grant, to enable us to continue our work this year. Many thanks for your time, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the AGM. You're more than welcome to contact me to find out more about the project, to get involved. Our next volunteer day is this Saturday at 11 o'clock at Llyn Parc Mawr by the Caban. Or if you've got any ideas for partnership working, then just get in touch. Diolch!